How to properly size plenum box. A plenum in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) systems is a box that connects to the HVAC system. It has a critical function, and that is to bring in, distribute, and remove air. Each HVAC system typically uses two plenum boxes, a supply plenum and a return plenum. A supply plenum works by taking in the new cool or warm air from the heater or air conditioning system and, in turn, distribute it throughout the building using the HVAC's ductwork. A return plenum takes in that used air and, using the ductwork, sends it back to the core HVAC system. That air is recycled as a fresh batch later. A box plenum is a wide but short-length duct used to supply conditioned air to multiple branch ducts. The branch runouts may be insulated flexible ducts or insulated round sheet metal pipes. The box plenum is frequently the principal supply plenum for a small residence, but may also be used in sub-circuits of larger distribution systems. Optimum plenum width is 2.5 times the width of the connecting supply trunk or simply the width of the entrance opening. Box plenum width may vary from 2 to 3 times the opening width. The preferred box plenum length is 2 times the plenum width, but may vary from 1 to 3 times the plenum width. Note minimum clearance requirement between first branch takeoffs and the entrance to the box plenum. Construction dimensions for the special entrance fitting. Tests have shown that without this fitting, air will first rotate clockwise within the plenum. Then, with an off-on cycle of equipment, air rotation may reverse and rotate counterclockwise. This changing direction affects the amount of air delivered to each branch and can upset the balance in the system. Use of the special fitting also reduces the box plenum pressure loss by as much as 80%. Any supply trunk duct between the conditioning unit and box plenum is sized based on the supply system CFM and acceptable air velocity of from 700 to 900 feet per minute, FPM. The relationship, duct area equals CFM, air velocity, is used to determine trunk area or entrance opening area if no supply trunk is required. The effective length of the supply trunk, if one is used, is determined based on the measured length of the trunk and the equivalent length of any fittings used in the supply trunk.